So I get the time as 1.3939239 seconds. I'm going to store that in, somewhat surprisingly, my variable t. Yeah, and then once you know the time, what can you do with time? Yeah, you bring it on over, right? It's like, ooh, I know the time that we stop moving horizontally, right? All right, and now let's see. Oh, we knew something else, didn't we? We had to. Horizontal velocity of 4.7 meters per second. Didn't we know that? This size 4.7. Now we're cooking with gas, right? We have the time, we have the velocity. Finding x is just a matter of multivariable calculus, right? Or multiplying. It's just multiplying, right? Okay, so I'm going to multiply this time, which is on my calculator, by 4.7. So times 4.7, and it lands 6.54427 meters from the base of the cliff, which is, do we get that? Yeah, we did. We're so good, right? Then the next question says, what speed should he run? Are there questions about part A? Are we good? And then the next one says, what speed should he run to land 17 meters from the base? Yeah? Well, we don't have to redo everything, right? Where does the 17 meters go? This one here, right? That's how far we want to land. Is this still true? Is it still going to take us 1.39 seconds to hit the ground? Is it? I changed my horizontal velocity. Is that going to change the time it takes me to hit the ground? It doesn't. Remember, horizontal velocity does not affect vertical. Vertical is what makes our time, right? So that came from over this side. Changing that doesn't change this. So this is the same. So one of these can't be the same. This can't be the same, right? In fact, that's what we're trying to solve for. Right, so you can make the problem really hard, or you can just make it easy, right? That's 17. Now we don't know this velocity, right? So how do you get that velocity? Is it x over t? Is it? Yes, it is, right? So you can make it hard, you can make it easy, you can do the whole thing over again. And I would hope that by the time you got to the same time, you go, oh, I didn't need to do that again, right? But it's okay. If you did the whole thing over again, that's fine, right? Okay. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to go 17 divided by this time. So 17 divided by that time I stored in t. T stood for time, by the way. I don't know if you figured that out. Meters per second, yeah? Is that what we got? Are we good on 5? We are so good.